Hi everyone, and welcome to the tutorial learning on how to manage our files on the seller's dashboard. So what you need to do is once you've logged into the website under My Account and gone to the vendor panel, you will come over to your selling dashboard section over here. So what we're going to do is go over to administration and click on the file section. We have started to upload a few of our files up here, and we'll show you how to do that and set it up today. So it's a lot easier than the older website. We can actually create files, and this is a quick, easy way. If you wanted to sit down and upload all your documents prior to then putting them on the website, you can go ahead and do that this way. So what we need to do is make sure they're on public files. So this makes sure that the links, once you sell the documents, are viewable by the public on the website. You can store things in private files, but you do run the risk of them not being able to be seen on the website. So it's completely safe. So even though it says public, basically it's so they can be viewed by the people on the website. So what we've gone ahead and done is we've created some files here. One's for our banner. If you click on banner, we've actually uploaded the store banner in here. This is easily done. This is the same document, so I'll copy what I've done. I'm dragging and dropping that onto the site here, and you can see it uploads. We suggest that you rename things to make it nice and easy to access later on and to when you're adjusting your website. Store logo, so if we go to store logo, we haven't uploaded that yet, so we can pop that in over here. Again, to edit the document and the name of it, if you actually just hover over these, you'll see that it comes up. So what we're going to do is we're going to rename it. Okay, that's what we've chosen to rename it there. When we go back to our public files here, we've actually started to add files for each of our products. So if we wanted to add another file, it's this button right here. Again, if you hover, it will show that it's a new folder. So we might do a spelling matrix, okay, as an example. And what we are encouraging all of you to do, and again, this is a filing system we've come up with. You might have a better idea and more efficient way because you've been selling a lot longer, then go for it and do that. Some people like to have like mass resources and then click inside the mass resources folder and then have all these items. Some people just like to have them all on display like this, so it's completely up to you. But what we're saying is when you go inside your folders, you should be able to see we've got our images here. You can see the cover photo, and then we've got the file to download the zip. So when we're uploading the file for people to purchase, this makes it quite easy to access the documents. So it's a really clever way to set up your store. If for some reason one of your documents goes astray and you accidentally slide it over here into Maths Matrix, so you can see here the store banner's gone in the wrong way. So click on that, hold down your mouse, drag and drop it back over to where you wanted it in the store banner, okay? When we go back into store banner, you can see that it's popped back over there. If for some reason one of your files goes missing and you've accidentally popped it into one of these, that's easily fixed as well. It's not letting me do it. So if we drag and drop that over into the wrong area, again, once you open the document, you'll be able to see it and you'll be able to drag and drop it back over here, okay? So it's not letting me do that now, but it is a quite easy system that you guys should be used to with using Word and just your Microsoft system or your Mac system that you're on. So that's how easy it is to set up all of your items on there. Let's go ahead and do the spelling matrix. So that's a blank folder. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop. You can see the image over here. Now this is not the right image. This is just an example. We're going to rename it. So we're going to put here the spelling matrix cover. So when we say cover, this is going to be the image that you use. That's the first image and the larger image on your product page. Now what you might want to do is drag and drop over here the big download file, which you can do that. I won't do it now because it will consume all our time with the video, but you easily and effortlessly, that's a big word, drag and drop it over here. If you have other images, so when you're wanting to have some images underneath and some samples and looks inside, any products that you want to watermark, make sure you watermark those images if you don't want anybody to access them. So we're going to put here the spelling matrix, spelling matrix 1. So we've gone ahead and called that spelling matrix 1. Now if you have 3 or 4 images that you'd like to put underneath there, what we suggest is calling them a number, okay? Sorry, I'm struggling with my spellings. Here we go. So spelling matrix 1, spelling matrix 2, okay? So this is going to make it easy when you're adding, and in our next video we will be looking at the products of showing you how to upload, and we will be looking at doing that in bulk. So if you are an experienced seller and you've just joined the website, you can do it in bulk. If not, you can also we'll be looking at cloning different products that you're setting up as well. So that's how we suggest setting up your different files on here. So then when it comes to going to your products and accessing quickly, let's have a little look right now. We'll be able to do that, okay? So these items are hidden because we've added them, but we haven't added all our items. So we're going to go to our image down here. So what we can do is actually go to the server because we've already added them on there. So we go on our public files, okay, spelling matrix year 2. Okay, oops, we'll go to year 1 because I haven't got it on there. Spelling matrix year 1. Sorry, spelling matrix. So here we go. So we had our cover. So we can select it. So what we do is we double click to select it, and you'll see that it comes up here. Okay, then we click save and close. Make sure you check all your other documents on there as well so you can see the images come up for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some images here. So what we can do is, I know we're not going to the right file, but you can here double click each of these and they will come up here. We want to add another one. What we do is add that button there, go to the server, go to our spelling matrix, so it's going to remember where we've already been to and save that for us. Okay, so there's our 2 images as our thumbnails. Files to sell, so we want to add our file. So again, we're going to go to our server because we've already uploaded them, okay, and you'll have your file here to download. So you double click on that and it will come up here and start scanning for you. Okay, so that's where we do it there. Make sure you save everything when you leave, and you'll be able to see back here when we go to our products that everything is saved in there. Okay, so we have a look at our images. I didn't save it. Let me have a look. I didn't click save when I did the page, did I? Silly me. Here we go. So this is great. So making a mistake online so you guys can see. So double click that image and save it. Okay, it will pop up. There it is. Okay, go to the server. You're only going to choose local if you haven't added the document again. Double click on that and save, and that will pop up now. There it is right there. Okay, so you can keep going with all the different images that you'd like to add. Okay, so if you wanted to go to local, that's if you haven't uploaded like our file management system that we've just spoken about. You go to server because you've actually uploaded all your documents already up onto the server, so they're sitting there waiting for you in your folders to be able to use. So we hope that's been a useful video. Make sure you check out our other videos on how to put a sale or how to put a resource on sale. We've got lots of different videos to help you with hints and techniques to make sure that using our website is easy and effortlessly.